Ever wonder how do we work within a confined space? Especially where the job requires physically demanding job. Let me show you how we do it faster, safer, smarter with our robot. The furnace of the kiln needs to be replaced with new ones. So, the existing ones needs to be removed. The kiln bricks is generally harder and tougher than normal concrete. And that's where we come in. We use compact demolition robots to access the tighter space. These robots, which is less than a ton, are the only ones small enough to fit and get the job done right. So why robots over traditional methods? Simple. Number 1, speed. Robot is generally 20 times faster than manual labor hacking. Number 2, super tough material. Kiln bricks is like 2 times harder than normal concrete. So you need something strong and powerful to hack it down. And number 3, less fatigue. What the workers is doing is controlling remotely, while the difficult part of hacking is already done by the robot itself. What sets us apart? We have a range of equipment to handle different needs, requirements, and challenges, ensuring we get the job done efficiently and safely. Contact us now and let us do the heavy lifting.